But the tech space has come back. It's up close to around 1.5% odd. And just keep an eye out on Tech Mahindra because that one is pulling back a goodish bit. Rahul Mohindar joins us to give us his take on the markets. Hi, Rahul. Good to have you in. Well, tricky times, right? We are moving to the 17,900, 18,000 mark. Supply comes in there, and then we move back down. It appears it's a matter of time before we get past that 18,000 mark. But what do you do from here? Trade on the index and a couple of your trading calls.
Morning. I think you put it very well. It's a tricky time simply because on one side there's a set of people betting on a recession and new lows, and on another side there's the momentum that's talking to you where you think it's just a matter of time. And I think when we look at the charts, when we look at the technicals and the various indicators, I think it clearly ballparks the fact that we are steadily in that bull grip. We are moving up. And I think we will move to about 18,100 to 18,200, which will be its strongest resistance. Will we get past that? Time will tell. But the way the trajectory is, I won't be surprised we get past it and finally even move to 18,600 levels. So as of now, things are in fine fettle. What should you be cautious of as a Nifty trader? That's also very important. Let's say if things were suddenly to turn, I would watch a specific level of 17,770. If we breach that, we have a daily close below 17,770. That's where I think the market could take a bit of a pause and get into a corrective mode. So keep that number in mind while you're trading on the long side. Coming to stock ideas, I think the Bank Nifty will continue to outperform. And my sense is Kotak Bank is one of the stocks one can get into for the near term. Keep a target of 1972 if you're a short-term trader. If you can pull that on a couple of days, I think we're very much heading to 2000 plus levels. Keep a stop loss of 1920 when going long at Kotak Bank. Sun Pharma, that's a stock which the last 3 weeks, we've seen a very clear range between 865 to about 900. And I think we're probably going to edge this range out. 910 and 930 would be my targets on Sun Pharma in the near term. I'd buy in with a stop loss below the 878 level. Finally, Bajaj, Finserv and Ultratech, these are two other buy calls I have. Near term, Bajaj Finserv could move to as high as 17,700. Keep a stop loss below the 17,050 level. And Ultratech also, we saw good volume breakouts on the 7th and 8th of September last week. And I think we're good for, a solid run up on the stock. So near term, you're looking at targets which could be around the 7,000 to 7,080 level. I would clearly buy the stock with a 6,700 stop loss.